Hi, and welcome to one of 7 different videos aimed at helping you to be more informed about our production process. Now, where the process starts is right after you've purchased services from us. Whenever you purchase a service, there'll be one of 3 things that happens. Number one, there's some products that where the product is delivered immediately or the service is delivered immediately. Domain names are an example of that. If you register a domain name through us, the domain name is immediately registered for you and available for use. The second type of service, a project is created for. So immediately we would create a project for you and begin the execution of that project. So something like that might be a domain name transfer where we receive the request, a project is created, and then our team executes on steps until the conclusion of that project. And that might be to just simply check on the status of the transfer of the domain name. There's a few other services like that where we can immediately begin delivering for you because really we have the information that we need based on the fact that you requested the service. But there are other types of services that fall into a third category, which are services that we need more information from you before we can execute on delivering that service for you. So a service like that would be the design of your website. Sometimes it could be the layout of your page content, where we actually need the content that we're laying out before we can deliver and design a page for you or lay a page out for you. So in those cases, we create work orders. Now the work orders are exactly that. They're a questionnaire that allow you to give us the information we need in order to execute on the service that you purchased. Now once you submit the work order, our system will automatically create a project for our staff to begin working on. And that project consists of multiple steps, each step allocated to a different staff member. Sometimes it's one staff member or department that's delivering on that particular type of service. But either way, we've got it all mapped out. So when you submit your work order, a project is created, and we immediately get to delivering the service that you've ordered. Now, it's really important that you take care of your work orders as quickly as possible, number one. Number two, that you don't mix the work orders. Make sure that you are only submitting the information for the service that you've purchased that work order is associated with, and not a mixed bag of things. So for example, if you've purchased a page layout, let's say you want us to actually lay out the copy, the information of a specific page, don't put information about your home page in there, or don't put information about the overall design or a banner or something if it's not related to that specific page. Now also, you're going to want to be thorough. Be thorough, be as descriptive as you can be, but at the same time, be as direct as you can be. So you don't have to tell us why you want something. You don't really have to explain yourself other than giving us the exact information that we need to deliver for you, and that's what your specifications are. That way we don't have to interpret or read between the lines or risk getting something wrong for you. Okay, so definitely take care of your work orders. There's a number of different things on this particular page that you're reading around me that will give you insights as to what it is that you have to do specifically to fill out those work orders. Now again, those work orders could be for a website design that we're doing for you. It could be for a web page that we're creating for you. Maybe it's a banner that we're designing for you or a custom graphic. At any rate, work orders are extremely important, and they're the way that we gather information from you in order to get the work done that you've asked us to do for you.